When I decided to put the fan and put some other accessories in the truck, I wanted to be able to have power after I turn the switch off. And that's, some people don't want to do that. They don't want to put the power in that way, but I did, and also wanted to have plenty of power I could use for future accessories. So what I decided to do was change the terminals out, put this type terminals on, and use Blue Sea products, which gives me a nice easy way to hook up pretty much as much power as I want. Of course, I can add another one of these things as well if I want to. You have to excuse a little these things. I haven't got the right size washers. I need to have a washer on top of that, but I did have extra connectors and the connector size is right, so I just use that as a temporary washers until I get around to changing those back out. But it's a very nice and quick and easy way to put power and have fuses to it. And it's also where I decided to put this is on top of the main box, just a plastic lid, and I can pop these. I left enough slack in the wires where I can pull that off there and get to the main breakers and stuff for the truck as well. And if I ever decide to put more power to this, and eventually saw another guy that got another battery tray. I think it was for a 2500 rim. This is a 1500. But he put that other battery tray on this side and put an auxiliary battery. So there's plenty of room over here if I decided to do that to also put an additional block on the other side and give me way more than enough power for anything I would ever want to have accessory wise in this truck. So you know, there's lots of different ways to do stuff, but that's the way I chose to do it. And yeah, hope you find it somewhat interesting. And if I can remember to do it, I'll put a link to where you can get the Blue Sea stuff in the description box below. And later on, as I do other things in this truck, I'll have some more videos, but just wanted to show you that for now. Old truck doesn't sound too bad. Not to me it doesn't anyway, considering she's 20 years old. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon in the next video.